In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Godaddy domain efficiently, making the most of the tools and features available on their platform. Whether you're setting up a domain for the first time or looking to fine-tune your current domain settings, this guide will provide you with all the information you need. Getting started with your Godaddy account is your first step. Begin by navigating to the Godaddy website. Once there, you'll notice the Sign In option prominently displayed. Clicking on it will bring you to the login page, where you will be prompted to enter your username and password. Make sure you input your credentials correctly to avoid any access issues. After you have entered your username and password, proceed to click on Sign In. This action grants you access to your Godaddy dashboard, the central hub where you can manage all your Godaddy services effectively. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll find your profile photo. Clicking on your profile photo reveals a drop-down menu with various options, including My Products, a pivotal area for managing your Godaddy services. If you're having trouble locating your profile photo or the My Products option, look for indicators or symbols that represent account settings or personal options. These are usually found in consistent locations across most platforms. In the My Products section, navigate until you find the website with domain plan you previously purchased or are currently managing. This might involve some scrolling if you have multiple products or services registered with Godaddy. The layout is designed to be user-friendly, so locating your desired plan should be straightforward. Upon locating your website with domain plan, the next logical step is to click on the plan itself to access more detailed settings and options. Here you can review your plan details, check your subscription status, and more importantly, manage your domain directly. Now, within the plan details, you want to look for the option that says Domain. This is where you can see the domain that's associated with your website plan. Clicking on Domain will take you to a page dedicated to managing every aspect of your domain's configuration. Once in the domain management section, your next stop is the Domain Settings option. This is where the real magic happens. In domain settings, you have the capability to adjust various aspects of your domain, from privacy settings to renewal options. At this point, it's essential to explore the Products section, which is slightly different from the My Products area we visited earlier. The Products section is tailored to show you more granular details about the services connected to your domain, including any additional features or add-ons you've activated. Here's where you get to manage your website that's connected to your domain. This could involve making updates to DNS settings, adding subdomains, or even redirecting your domain to a different site. Each option and setting plays a critical role in how your domain performs and interacts with your website. For those looking to expand their web presence, Godaddy offers DNS forwarding. This feature allows you to connect another domain to your primary website, enabling you to direct traffic from multiple sources to a single destination. It's an excellent tool for increasing your site's reach and improving overall visibility on the web. Lastly, let's talk about enhancing your domain security with an SSL certificate. SSL, Secure Sockets Layer, is a standard security technology for establishing an encrypted link between a server and a client, typically a web server, website, and a browser, or a mail server and a mail client, for example, Outlook. Upgrading your domain with an SSL certificate not only secures your website, but also boosts your credibility among visitors and customers alike. Godaddy makes this upgrade straightforward, offering various SSL certificate options to meet different needs and budgets. In summary, navigating and using your Godaddy domain involves a few essential steps: logging into your account, managing your website with domain plan, adjusting domain settings, and considering upgrades like DNS forwarding and SSL certificates for enhanced performance and security. Each step plays a crucial role in maximizing the potential of your online presence, ensuring your website is secure, accessible, and performing at its best. Remember, these steps are just the beginning. The Godaddy dashboard and the tools it offers are designed to provide you with a high degree of control over your domain and website. Explore, experiment, and take advantage of the features and settings to tailor your web presence to your exact needs and preferences. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made managing your Godaddy domain clearer and more accessible.